So there are many stories about average people just buying into crypto and becoming tremendously wealthy from it. These stories are nice to hear, and there are quite a lot of people that have this story. As for me, my life has changed forever because I bought into crypto early before this bull run started. That being said, cryptocurrency as it is now is a time-limited opportunity, and these insane profits aren't going to last forever. I highly recommend everybody in crypto watches this video because I think what I'm about to say is very important. But before we get into it, please drop a like and subscribe. I'm only a small YouTuber, so supporting me in any little way helps me out a lot. So this chart right here is the total market cap for everything in crypto, and as you can see, it has gone up absolutely tremendously. It was happy to see a $10 billion market cap. Then the 2018 bull run, it almost hit the $1 trillion market cap, and now we're at $2.5 trillion in market cap for cryptocurrency. However, the trend is for cryptocurrency, as volatile as it is, to become less volatile. As you can see, the jump from last bull run, a $750 billion market cap, and now we're at 2.5 trillion. That's a big jump, and by no means are we at the peak of this bull run, in my opinion. But that jump is way less than the 2013-2014 bull run, which was, happy to get around a $2.5 billion market cap, almost a $10 billion market cap, to $750 billion. You know what I'm saying? Like, that jump is way bigger, and this jump is going to be a lot less, even though it's still a huge jump in market cap. Now, the trend here is for cryptocurrency to become less and less volatile. Like, you can even see this on the rainbow chart. Like, this was way over the red band, and then it went down to the blue band, then it went to the red band again, but it's less. The 2018 bull run had less volatility than the bull run that we saw in 2013-14. Now that is because the market cap for crypto is just way higher. It's a lot harder for a single entity to pump or dump the price of any given crypto, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. It's why the S&P 500 is known to be so stable, because the market cap is like $1 gajillion. It doesn't really go up or down that much at all because the market cap's that high. But another thing is that institutions are getting involved in cryptocurrency now, and institutions are well known for holding their assets for long periods of time. Like, their time scale is like 20 years, not necessarily months or even days with most retail crypto traders. The fact that they're storing their assets into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on means that the price is going to be a lot less volatile. And we're just seeing a lot of tremendous bullish news for cryptocurrency that is definitely taking it into a step where it is genuinely mainstream. BitMEX CEO predicts that Bitcoin will be legal tender in 5 countries by 2022. And, we saw El Salvador get this ball rolling. And, I think it will be a domino effect. I think countries are going to more and more get involved in incorporating digital assets into their economy. And I think it's just going to happen. El Salvador is basically the domino that starts the chain reaction. But what this does mean is that the volatility that we've known up to this point is getting more and more diminished. The crypto market that we know as of now is so freaking profitable and so freaking volatile that you can genuinely become rich, and you don't even need to have that much capital. I don't think this is going to last forever by any means. Because when institutions, when national economies get involved into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, that volatility that is customary to things that are very retail heavy, such as cryptocurrency right now, is just going to be way and way less. The time that normies have to make tremendous money with cryptocurrency is becoming less and less. And that, in my opinion, is pretty indisputable. These institutions that are getting involved in cryptocurrency do not trade like retail traders. When serious money gets involved in crypto, that volatility goes out the window and the market becomes a lot more efficient. I like to think about cryptocurrency as it is now as kind of like the early internet. In the early internet of the 90s and the early 2000s, there was a tremendous opportunity to actually start a website. Google, Facebook, YouTube, and so on, they got their start from small entrepreneurs. Smart guys, but average guys in terms of, their capital and influence, could start the next big website. And that was the opportunity people had during the early internet. It wasn't saturated by institutions as of that point. However, now, good luck competing with Google, Facebook, YouTube, and so on if you're just a small entrepreneur now. Like, it's not gonna happen. The best opportunity to make websites was in that early period of the internet, and that is just the case. But now, like, you can see the vast majority of web traffic goes to Google, Facebook, YouTube, and that didn't really used to be the case. Back in the day, the internet was a lot more decentralized to multiple different websites. Like when I was using the internet in the early 2000s, you'd go to a whole bunch of websites, but now you just go to Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and that's pretty much it. The same way with crypto now, and how there's all of these exciting altcoins that are going up tremendously and so on. I don't think that's gonna last forever. Had people known how big the internet was going to be, they would have dropped everything and worked on creating the next Google, Facebook, YouTube, and so on, because the opportunity was absolutely tremendous. I see crypto in a similar state as the early internet. A Joe Schmo can legitimately become rich in cryptocurrency as of now. I don't think that is going to be the case after next bull run. This bull run is going to have some extreme profits still. And then next bull run, we're going to see some good profits that people can make. And then after that, I think it's going to be way more stable than anything we've seen before. The cyclical nature of cryptocurrency, I think, is just going to get more and more diminished. It's going to become more and more stable, less volatile, more mainstream. It's not going to be seen as the same way it is now. Starting an internet-based company in the early internet was seen as this wild thing. So is creating a cryptocurrency business or project now. I think most people, they just need to get their stuff together. In my opinion, if you are a retail trader, and everybody watching this pretty much is, your opportunity to become rich with crypto is really coming to a close. Like, you have all of these institutions, these national economies that are getting interested in buying cryptocurrency, and it's only a matter of time before the opportunity becomes saturated. I really can't see bull runs past 2014 being nearly as frothy and, volatile as we've seen up to this point. I just don't think it's going to be the case. The market cap will just be so high. There'll be just that many more institutions involved that the opportunity for a Joe Schmo to become rich in crypto is just not going to be the same as it is today. And that's why I want to make this video, to give people a sense of urgency. Like, you don't want to be that guy that is only hip to the internet after YouTube, Google, Facebook, and so on are already established. Corporations are very, very slow moving. It took Coca-Cola 10 years to make a website. You want to get in before these slow moving corporate dinosaurs, funnel their tremendous money into crypto, and then it becomes more stable. For an average guy, like, I think this is your chance. I think for the average guy, crypto is your ticket. That is your ticket to actually become wealthy. And it's not even hard. Like, just look how easy this is, right? Like, you sell when it gets to like the orange and red band. You get to like the blue band and you buy. That's pretty much what I did. And I made tremendous money from Bitcoin and Ethereum. $6,000 I first bought Bitcoin, and it was a great buy. And now it's at 60k. That is not going to be the case forever. Like, it's not going to be that profitable forever. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Zero Waiting signing out.